United Way. United Way is giving a helping hand around the world to make it a better place, involving many partners like Walmart, Target, Macy's, helping the community for 40 years and making it a different community with wellness, children readiness to learn, and financial stability.
Live united.
The Hunger Council will be willing to take in your food to help the community grow as a stronger and better place. 211 is a helpline to help the community with shelter, or food problems, or domestic violence.
Great Start Livingston helps the community by providing jobs, healthcare, and education. The Literacy Coalition helps young kids read and write and gives them a better education.
7,000 kids drop out of school each day. United Way is fighting for the common good of the community. Their focus is on education, income, and health, the building blocks for a good quality of life.
You can volunteer at Volunteer Livingston or volunteer at Day of Caring.
You can advocate by spreading the good word of United Way. You can donate to United Way by giving $1 or more to help the community grow as a bigger and better place.
Live united.
You can follow United Way at Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at United Way.